How to calculate percentage change in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So here as you can see, I have taken some dummy data and let's see the percentage change of profit from March to April. To do so, first hit equal to, then open a bracket. After that, select April, then minus March, close the bracket, then divide it by April again, and then multiply it by 100. Now hit enter, and this is the percentage of change. Make sure you use the correct form. Let's do it again. Equal to bracket again. Now April minus this March, bracket close, divided by March again bracket close, into 100. And here you can see this is the percentage change. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.